An E-Class that does 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds, that runs over 100 km on pure electric power, that has a 6-cylinder engine and a plug. This is the Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid. First thing you notice, the grille lights up. It's an illuminated AMG specific grille. The whole front fascia has been redesigned with AMG specific detailing. These air intakes are massive. They need to be, because this car has to cool a 6-cylinder engine, an electric motor and a battery. Look at these front fenders. They are pushed out by 11 millimeters on each side compared to a regular E-Class. The car sits on 20-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke wheels, matte black with a high sheen finish. Behind them, the red brake calipers, because this is the racing edition and Mercedes wants you to know it. This car is available in 6 color options, and the one we have is the velvet brown. It changes character in every light. You get dark chrome everywhere. Even the door handles get dark chrome trim strips. Look at these door handles. These are flush mounted and they only pop out when you need them. Around the back, you'll spot the charging port, because remember, this is a plug-in hybrid. Now at the rear, do you notice the spoiler lip at the boot? This is functional at higher speeds. This E53 badge has a red surround. Rear bumper is completely redesigned. AMG diffuser, quad round exhaust tips, signature AMG. One honest point, the battery sits below the boot floor, so the boot is slightly smaller than a regular E-Class. Under the hood is a 3-liter 6-cylinder Pleasant electric motor. It gives 612 horsepower with race start. Does 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. You get turbo hybrid lettering on the side. After stepping inside, this is where you feel AMG DNA. I'm sitting in the AMG sports seats. Artico leather with micro-cut microfiber in AMG black with red contrast stitching everywhere. AMG specific seat graphics. Little details like this remind you what you are in. In front of me, it is the AMG Performance steering wheel. 12.3-inch driver display, 14.4-inch central touchscreen. You also get Burmester 4D surround sound system, 17 speakers, 4 exciters and 730 watts. And you get panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and a wireless charger. Rear sun blinds and an electric roller blind for the rear windscreen. Every detail is thought through. Now the big question, price. It is available in 2 variants, Performance Edition and Racing Edition. Performance Edition you will get for 1 crore 45 lakhs, and this is the Racing Edition which you will get for 1 crore 48 lakhs ex-showroom. You have to remember, this is a plug-in hybrid and it covers 100 km on pure electric charge. That means you can do your Monday to Friday office runs on just electric power. What do you think about this car? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Carly.